Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Vemate token. This token is live for pre-sale on pinksale.finance. There's still about 6 whole days of this pre-sale left to go, so you got a lot of time to go check this out. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it even after the pre-sale is over in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the Vemate token. So they do have a full audit. So they were audited by CertiK, which is the leading crypto auditor. So that's great to see that they have that already. They also have a KYC, which means their team was doxed to PinkSale to verify who they are for security reasons for investors. They also have a Discord, Instagram, GitHub, Telegram, Twitter, Facebook, official webpage, and an introduction to Vemate trailer that you could watch on PinkSale as well. So it says only 6.37% of tokens are left unlocked. Most are locked in a private sale contract. Please find details here, and it shows the CertiK link there that you could check out. Vemate is the most versatile and dynamic application on the market and the only fully integrated crypto NFT bridging marketplace. Partnerships with API agreement with a 3.77 billion USD at all-time high project, Ecomi, which is VEEV, Tier 1 exchange listing, existing app and Play Store and App Store, and tokenized NFT trading. So that's the little PinkSale blurb that it talks about there. So this is a public pre-sale. Minimum buy is 0.1 BNB. Max buy is 25 BNB. Soft cap set at 650 BNB. Hard cap 1,300 BNB. So they're expecting this to be a very large pre-sale. At the time of recording this video, so far they've already sold 127.24 BNB, and they're actually trending number 4 right now on PinkSale. So they're off to a decent start, and like I said, they still got like well over 6 days left to go on this pre-sale. Token's name is Vemate, ticker symbol VMT, 18 decimal places on this token. Total supply 150 million tokens. Tokens for pre-sale is 18.94 million. 14.9 million tokens for liquidity. Initial market cap estimate is $2.7 million. Now, if you missed this pre-sale, you still want to get this token, no worries. You can get this token shortly after the pre-sale is over on PancakeSwap, and liquidity will be locked for 180 days. According to their token metrics pie chart here, it says 12.6% of the tokens go to pre-sale, 9.94% go to liquidity, 19.1% go to burn tokens and liquidity extra, and 58.3% of the tokens are unlocked. Now, if you go over to their official webpage, which is vemate.com, over there, you're going to find a lot more information about this token. They have a full white paper as well that you could check out. Let me see if it works actually before I say anything. Let's click on the white paper, see if it's available. It looks like it is available. So, very, very lengthy white paper as I'm scrolling through here. Yes, very lengthy white paper. A lot of information, kind of like the Cliff Notes is available on their webpage, but way more information on their white paper. It's a very long read. So it says, Vemate, a digital collector's best friend. Vemate is the most versatile and dynamic application on the market, which supplies trading analysis tools, market information, fractional and tokenized NFT trading, as well as the only fully integrated crypto NFT bridging marketplace. You can get it on Google Play or the Apple App Store. It's got links Then it's got links to all their socials, news articles. So how it works, Vemate will let anybody trade NFTs without the steep learning curve. We're building the ultimate NFT analysis, minting, and trading platform on the market. The Vemate app will start off modestly. However, with every function release, it will bring unique features to the market that will give you a competitive advantage over your peers who use competing applications. Phase 1, fastest VEEV data acquisition, unique features to supercharge digital collectibles trading, MVP app launch before fundraising. Phase 2 is going to be guided NFT learning, minting, trading, and analysis, fractionalized and tokenized volume NFT trading, lowering of NFT market entrance threshold. So the current challenges, we got fragmented NFT markets, analysis capabilities, tokenized fractional NFTs, high market penetration threshold. And so their plan, they're going to have information pertaining to NFTs, NFT collections that will be acquired. And then we got trading analysis. The information used for analysis will be a mix of acquired and proprietary marketplace data. Then the marketplace, through the planned NFT marketplace, you'll be able to act upon the information and trading analysis acquired on the platform. And then the platform, through the synergy of 3 modules, our NFT platform will emerge. It will not only be a more attractive option for existing market players, but it'll also create its own market by lowering the entrance threshold for crypto, stock market, and other users. So they have a timeline on here, basically started in April 2022 with the launch of the Phase 1 MVP mobile app, and then started the private sale of the VMT token. Then May to June, trickle release of Vemate Phase 1 app functions. July to October, full rollout of complete Phase 1 application and pre-listing of the VMT token. November, beginning of Phase 2 features a rollout alpha informational module equivalent to CoinMarketCap, but for NFTs. December, continuation of Phase 2 rollouts, alpha analysis module equivalent trading view, but for NFTs. And then next year, we're going to have continuation of rollout, continuation of testing, analysis, full version available to the public. And then after that, launch the NFT marketplace, which will enable minting, trading, fractionalized, and tokenized NFTs for artists to fulfill a strict set of criteria. Then they got team information. You can check them out at the bottom of the page there. And yeah, let's see if there's any taxes on here. It doesn't really say about taxes, so I'm not sure if you're going to have to set slippage if you buy this token. No, it doesn't say anything, but yeah, I'm not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think about the Vemate token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is, and check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto, and thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.